The beam vanished, and in that silence, Paris held its breath. It was 1849, and night had settled over the city like a held secret. On a rooftop near the Seine, a young physicist named Hippolyte Fizeau leaned toward a narrow shaft of light, his fingers steady, his pulse anything but. Across the darkened miles, a distant mirror waited, invisible to the eye, yet essential to the question that had haunted humanity for centuries. How fast does light move? For generations, light had been treated as instant, divine, untouchable beyond measurement. It illuminated cathedrals, split storms, revealed the world in a blink. But Fizeau believed something radical. That light, no matter how swift, could be timed. Not imagined, not philosophized, measured. He built a machine that seemed almost fragile for such an ambition. A brilliant lamp, a rotating wheel cut with precise teeth, a beam sent racing across Paris, bouncing off a mirror kilometers away, then returning home. As the wheel spun faster and faster, something strange happened. The light disappeared. That vanishing was not failure. It was the answer knocking. When the wheel turned at just the right speed, a tooth blocked the returning beam. Light, the thing thought to be unstoppable, had been outrun, if only barely, by human engineering. By adjusting the rotation, by calculating distance and delay, Fizeau translated darkness into data. Midway through the night, the experiment shifted from daring to dangerous. Faster rotation meant greater uncertainty. A miscalculation could shatter glass, ruin months of work, or expose a devastating flaw. Each adjustment tightened the tension. Each flicker of returning light felt like a verdict. Then the numbers aligned. Light, it turned out, was fast, but not infinite. About 300,000 kilometers per second. Finite, measurable, human. In that moment, the universe shrank just enough for us to grasp it. This wasn't just a scientific triumph. It was a philosophical rupture. If light had a speed, then time and space were no longer absolute. Cause and effect gained a delay. The cosmos became a place where even the fastest thing obeyed rules. Fizeau didn't shout. He didn't celebrate. He simply wrote it down. Because real revolutions often arrive quietly, disguised as careful notes taken under starlight. That experiment opened a door others would walk through. Michelson, Einstein, the architects of modern physics. But it began with a single beam, a spinning wheel, and a man willing to challenge the idea of the infinite. If this story sparked something in you, curiosity, wonder, that quiet thrill of discovery, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who loves science, subscribe for more stories like this, and tell us in the comments, what mystery should we measure next?